Rudy and Ben here from Profly Cinema.
Over the next few days, we're getting the Enerdrive Voyager battery system installed in our car behind us by Ozzy Auto Electrics.
It's a pretty extensive process, but let's get into it.
Day one's wrapping up now.
So we have the Enerdrive inverter and battery system that is basically getting finished as we speak. Ash is doing a fantastic job. He's also done the backboard today. This is all connected to the main lights and the car battery now, so we can drive and it charges while the car's running.
We got the Dometic Fridge going in next here on this side.
We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.
The end of day 2 today, a lot of hidden wiring that's happened.
It looks like much hasn't been done, but that's because it's all hidden and all done very clean and very tidy.
We got this track system over here, which is hiding a lot of the cables. Got an inlet, which is on the outside, and then we're gonna have a power outlet as well as the standard set on the Voyager. And we can run 240 volt into this, which actually charges the Enerdrive system overnight, so it's 100% ready to go the next day.
We've got an Anderson plug here running from power from the Enerdrive system. This is going to get tucked in nicely into the fridge cage, which the fridge is then mounted in.
In the days coming, we've got a front dash cam coming as well.
We're very keen to get everything else in here fitted and wired up, so we'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Day 3 has come to an end, but we're making some awesome progress. Ben, tell us what's been going on.
An obvious thing we've got in here is the fridge cage has been put in. We've got the inlet and the outlet box has been built in really nicely.
It looks insane. It looks a part of the car, and it still feels so weird seeing a outlet.
240 volt outlet.
240 volt in a canopy in a car. We've also got the panel on the roof now, which has been furthest to the passenger side if we want to put any other cases or anything on the right-hand side of the canopy.
One more day to go.
Very excited.
The final day has come to an end and the rig is all complete.
The boys at Ozzy Auto Electrics have done an incredible job, above and beyond our expectations. We're so stoked with the setup. Come check it out. Make sure to stick around. In future videos, we'll be doing pressure testing of the system and a complete overview of the car.